Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will teach you how to tie a scarf in 5 new fashion styles. I will teach you in the completely latest way, completely simple way. You will have to do one thing, you will have to watch the video from start to end. It is a very short video, 1.5 minutes something. Watch and learn, and share this video with your relatives too, so that they can learn new style fashion hacks. And to watch fashion and style related videos daily on my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Please like the video by giving your precious time. Don't forget to leave a nice comment. Thank you, have a nice day.